Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Phantom wallet to BullX NEO. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back. Now first up, go ahead and log into your BullX NEO account. Now once you're in here, you'll be landed to the dashboard, alright? Now what you'll do is go to the left panel and click on Wallet. And then here, just go to the top right and click on Add Wallet. As you can see here, my Phantom wallet is already connected. So just for the demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Wallet. Make sure Solana is selected. Wallet name, maybe just name it Phantom. Okay. Now once done, it's going to need the wallet address. Okay. So what you'll do is go ahead and open up Phantom right here under your extensions. If you don't have this one, you can go ahead and click on Manage Extensions. Or if you can't find Manage Extensions right here, just click on the three dots or three horizontal lines, find Extensions, and click on Visit Web Store. Okay. Now in here, just type down Phantom, hit on Enter, and just click on Phantom. And there will be an option here, Add to Chrome, Add to Brave, or Add to Firefox, depending on your browser. Okay. Just click on it. And after that, there will be a pop-up right here at the top. Just click on Install. Okay. Wait for the process to finish and just log in with your Phantom account. And then once done, go ahead and open up a Phantom. Okay. Phantom. There you go. And just click on Receive. Now go ahead and copy your Solana wallet address. And here, paste it. Okay. So I'm just going to click on Add Wallet. And as you can see here, it's not going to add in again because I already have it in here. But yours might be different. It will show up in here. No problem. Okay. But that's basically it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.